As part of the general education requirements, students are required to complete 6 credits of English composition. Those 6 credits are broken down into 2 separate courses. First one being English 101, which is 3 credits. And then once you've completed English 101, you would take English 102, also for 3 credits. So 3 plus 3, that's how we get the 6 credits of English composition. Now before you can enroll for these classes though, you do have to have an ACT or an SAT score on file with us. And we'll go with whichever one is higher. So if your ACT score is higher, we'll go with that one. If your SAT score is higher, we'll go with that one as well. And it's just the English or verbal sections only, so it's not comprehensive. To enroll for English 101, you need at least an ACT score of a 21 or an SAT score of a 510. To enroll for English 102, you need a 30 or a 680, or obviously if you've completed English 101 already, then you can take English 102 after that. If you didn't score at least a 21 or a 510, but scored at least an 18 or a 440, then the English class that you place into is English 101E and F, and that is a 6-credit course. English 101E and F is an extended version of English 101. So, once you've completed English 101E and F, you've completed English 101. If, however, you scored below an 18 or below a 440 or did not take the ACT or SAT, you would then have to take English 98 for 3 credits. English 98 is a prerequisite for English 101. So what that means is you have to take English 98 before you can take English 101. So you'd have to take English 98, then after 98 you'd have to take English 101 to complete your requirements. The tricky part about this is that, remember, you have to complete 6 credits of English 101 and 102. So these are the only 2 courses you can count towards your English composition requirements. If you have to take English 101 E and F or English 98, all that means is you'll have extra credits to complete before you can fulfill your English composition requirements. But for now, make a note of which scores you have and which English class you place in, and also make sure your scores have been sent to UNLV so you can register when you get here.